Okay, our word is Silikan. Silikan in English is wheel. First, we need to identify how many consonants we have. We have sa, la, ka, and na. Silikan. So in Sulat Sūg, si is written as like this. Its equivalent is sin. L is lam, written like this. K is kap, written just like the lam but with the hamza inside, and N is nun. Okay, now we write them from start with letter S or sin, like this, and its vowel sound is E. So E is baris hababa, so we put the baris below the letter. So C, sin hababa, C. Then next we have lam, so lam, its baris is also below. Then next we have kap, so kap, and now its baris is a. A is hataas, so silika, you put it above the letter. And lastly we have the letter N or nun, and it has no vowel sound because it's at the end, so we simply add the letter N and baris patay. We spell sin ding hababa si, lam ding hababa li, sili, kap ding hataas ka, silika, nun, kan, silikan. And if we connect them, now how do we connect them? So look at the consonants. All of them are you can connect them all because they're not part of the 4 letters that you cannot connect. Alif, dal, ra, and waw. So you can simply connect them all. And kap, if it's in the middle, you write it like this, like that. So when you connect them, so you write sin, the first one, then lam, then kap, then nun. Then you put the baris, sin hababa si, lam hababa li, kap ding atas ka, nun, kan, silikan. So this is the connected word for that, silikan. Subscribe for more.